Hey viewers, let's try to draw another flower pot, but this time we are going to make the pot look more attractive by doodling here and there using only black sketch pen. Then we can use the watercolors for drawing the leaves and the flowers that are placed above it. And it's suitable for the kids between the age group 11 and 12. Now it's time to draw a flower bouquet like shown here. It's full of tulips. Try to draw them in the same way as we are doing. It's simple, not complicated one. This is suitable for the kids between the age group of 8 and 9 years old. You can use sketch pens for coloring them. Thanks for watching. For this you need a highlighter. First of all we are going to draw the alphabet K using the highlighter and follow the same steps as we have used here. Then you will be able to draw this cute little girl as shown here. For detailing you can use any gel pen or any sketch pen like we have used. Difficulty level is very easy and it's suitable for the kids between the age group of 6 and 7 years old. Thanks for watching.